Today, we will discuss about DNA extraction. Extraction and purification of DNA is required for various molecular biology techniques. DNA can be extracted through different methods, including organic method, inorganic method, and even through commercially available kits. We will extract the DNA by the organic method. Before proceeding to the experiment, we should know about the sources of the DNA, materials and the instruments required, and the basic steps that are involved in the DNA extraction. In the sources of the DNA can be extracted from human tissues, blood sample, plant tissue sample, bacterial cultures, spores, soil sample, and even forensic samples.